UMathX is the 10th version of Understanding Math. It is a browser-based, computer-assisted, interactive learning environment that blends a digital approach and related resources to help students develop deeper conceptual understanding of mathematics concepts for K to Algebra 1. As one curriculum director put it, UMathX has it all. A full-service K to Algebra 1 learning environment supporting a growth mindset within a learning pit, encouraging students and teachers to grapple with concepts. Grappling is what you do when you do not know the answer. It is more than persevering, more than engaging. It is productive struggling. The learning pit supports resilient learners. UMathX creates and supports a learning environment where students and teachers build it, draw it, talk it, write it, and then own it. The UMathX menu scaffolds the content, allowing students and teachers easy access to any mathematics concept. The curriculum menus present the content aligned to various curricula for each grade level. UMathX offers blended, tiered learning to reach all from K to Algebra 1, with a deep conceptual focus aligned to the curriculum. In this elementary example, we are adding vertically, but also showing another approach, horizontal, and modeling with the use of cubolinks. The user would work with a real set of cubolinks on their desk as they work through the example on the computer. Note the number of steps to help the learner with an incorrect answer. A correct answer must be given before the user can proceed. Audio support is also provided by double-clicking a sentence.
Correct.
Here, the user is considering equal parts as an introduction to fractions. First, the user must enter the number 3 as the number of equal parts, and 1 as the number of green parts being considered. Then, numerator and denominator are pulled over to result in a fraction. The learning takes place from concrete to abstract. Here, the graphics help in the understanding of the number of 3/4 in 2 1/2. We click and drag the part of the container representing the divisor over each of the other containers. A mistake is an opportunity to learn. The program will help the learner to arrive at the correct response. Students receive immediate feedback at every step. In this lesson, the user causes the water to pour into container A at a constant rate, and the corresponding line is drawn. Then the water is poured into container B, and the user is asked to draw the link. If the line for B is drawn to the right of the line for A, like this, then the following feedback will result. Then the user tries drawing the line for B to the left of A, but not all the way to the top, like this. Further feedback is given until arriving at the correct answer. Note that the user can also use the corresponding 3-part lesson on paper to record information from the screen. In this example, the student would be using actual base 10 blocks on the desk and following this model in UMathX. When the number appears, the user will click and grab the correct tiles to match the number. The user is then asked to subtract a certain number, and in this case, the user must regroup since not enough ones are given. Note the concrete and the abstract representations. Within the data module, assessments and tracking show growth in understanding. All data is kept in perpetuity and is accessible by student, teacher, principal, and district lead. UMathX contains a full array of test questions for every section. Students and teachers can view the results of all test questions, showing the student's answer along with the correct answer. If you have questions or would like more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.